Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a leaking back window on a Ford F-150. First, you need to pinpoint exactly where the water is coming from. Often, the third brake light seal is the culprit, or the window's perimeter seal might be compromised. A thorough visual inspection is crucial. You will need a T20 Torx bit, some automotive-grade sealant, and a clean cloth. Having these items ready will make the repair process much smoother and quicker. Once you've confirmed the third brake light is the issue, the next step is to remove it. Using your T20 Torx bit, unscrew the two screws located at the top of the light housing. After the screws are out, carefully pull the entire light assembly straight away from the truck's body. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. With the brake light removed, it's time to prepare for sealing. Clean the entire mounting surface on the truck and the back of the light assembly with rubbing alcohol to ensure proper adhesion. Apply a continuous, even bead of automotive-grade silicone sealant around the perimeter of the brake light's housing where it meets the truck. Reconnect the electrical plug, then carefully push the light back into place and tighten the two T20 Torx screws. After reinstallation, it's vital to let the sealant cure fully. This usually takes about 24 hours, so avoid washing your truck during this period. Once cured, perform a water test by gently spraying the area with a hose to ensure the leak is completely fixed. Regular checks of your seals can prevent future issues. And speaking of keeping things clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your F-150's interior spotless.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.